Ja sam na poziciji. We are at Varaždin Airport and we are doing a quite unique stunt. We have the Rimac Nevera and we have an acrobatic plane and we're doing a drag race. And on top of that, we're doing a drag race with the airplane flying inverted.
Sure, this is going to be a big challenge for the car, for the driver, and for me as a robotic pilot in the plane. We are starting with high speed, with around 250 kilometers per hour.
We need to be coordinated. I cannot see the plane when I'm looking up because of the roof.
We have to align with the car. With a low altitude, it's going to be around 10 meters high.
And then after that, we're going to excel from that over 300.
It's going to be a tough race.
It's a challenge for both of us.
Let the faster win.
Top Gun action.